Today we're going to be trying different foods. So like snacks, they're snacks.
Yeah.
So first we have, wrong side, egg tarts, cake egg tarts. Oh, sorry. So we have some cake egg tarts.
Yeah.
So we're gonna open them.
Yeah, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. I hope it tastes really good. I love the taste. I love it. Okay.
It should taste like really good because when the person said we're gonna share one.
Yeah. Yeah. Hopefully it tastes good.
So we're gonna open it.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this smells so good.
Can I see it?
It smells like egg and then.
Alright. Can you give me a little bit, please?
I'm in love with this. I love that.
That was so good. I love the flavor. I love the
A
taste.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Really good. I'm going to be eating that.
For lunch.
Next, we have Yan Yan. Yan Yan. If you don't know what it is, it's a type of like... No, yeah. It's a type of like Nutella thing. And it sticks. And then you put the chocolate. That's some around the mouth.
I'll just do something. Don't mind.
Okay. First,
Let's see.
First, I'm going to get a stick. Dip it in. Yeah, try it.
Try one.
Okay. That's really good. 10 out of 10. I'm going to give it a 9.
Next week, I'll try it.
9 out of 9. Next, we have Hello Panda pretzels. Oh, yeah. Okay, so I haven't heard of this kind, but it's Hello Pretzel pretzel. So it should be a salted pretzel shell. So I think it's gonna be good.
Yeah, that's sweet.
Look at the packaging.
Close your eyes.
Why?
3, 2,
I'm gonna close my eyes and then I'm gonna open them and see how the packaging look like. Oh, these are so pretty. Try them. Okay,
I thought small. I think small.
Okay.
Huh.
Okay. We're gonna eat them. 3, 2, 1.
Flower person.
I like them, but not at the same time.
Next we can try it.
Maya, I'm gonna give this an 8.5
I'm gonna give it
out of 10. Okay, guys, come back for part 2. Bye.
Bye.